Morning, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English test of oral past question. Question number 40. The instruction says that we should look out for the word or the option that takes the stress of the given word, and the given word here is pronounced as economic. Economic, as people pronounce it economic, but it is pronounced as economic. So, and it is also a word of four syllabic word. So it has four syllables in its pronunciation. Then in option A, letter E and C is in capital letter. That is, if actually the stress fall on the first syllable. Then in option B, letter O is in capital letter, if telling us that if the stress actually fall on the second syllable. Then in option C, N O M is a capital letter, which means that does the stress actually fall on the third syllable. Then in option D, I C is in capital letter, which simply means does the stress actually fall on the fourth syllable. Now let us pronounce this word economic. Just as tradition we have it, the first syllable is at its nominal level, that is the initial syllable. Then the or here is, even by transcription, is short or, not long or version of the vowel sound. Then no, so if you pronounce the nom, you find that the esophagus is thick or vibrates it on its vibration. It is thick or thicker than the o sound. Then when we now get to the mic, the k sound, which is the letter A of consonant, the letter K of consonant, then it means the syllable there falls. So, and of course k cannot take the stress. So by this analysis, find out that option C is the correct option, where we have our stressed. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.